Hey guys, we're going to do a different type of activity for a summative grade instead of taking a Unit 1 test. We've taken a lot of tests, and I think we're done with tests for a little bit. So for Unit 1, we're going to do a green dot challenge. Now, what we're going to do is this. You are going to be looking for green dots. You want green dots. So I'm going to show you how we're going to approach this. Now, there will not be any assignments down here in the assignment section. There is not going to be an assessment, right? We're going to be going to our standards page. So I'm going to hover over practice, and I'm going to go try it again. Go all the way over here to 6th grade and math, 6th grade math. We're going to go to our standards, all right? So right here, we're at our standards. Now notice ratios and proportion relationships. These are some standards that we have not gotten to yet. These are in Unit 2. We're about to start this unit right here. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look at all the different standards. Like I said, we've got all our standards, and notice over here are gray dots. Gray dots mean that you have not started it yet. It means we haven't done anything. So don't worry about that, okay? As I scroll down, we get into the number system. Then we have expressions and equations, geometry, and statistics and probability. We're going to go up here because we saw some colors up in here in number system. Now, at this point of time, this student has 3 green dots. We're looking for 4 green dots. Now, so there's one that he hasn't done yet because we just learned it. We just learned number 1, quotients of fractions. So what we're going to do is this. I'm looking for 4 green dots, numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? Quotients of fractions, dividing multi-digit numbers, multi-digit decimals. That means your add, subtract, multiply, divide decimals, GCF, and LCM. Now, notice that we have 3 green dots. Now, green dots, if you are looking at it, you're wanting to find out what your grade would be. A green dot, each green dot is worth 25 points. All right, each green dot is worth 25 points. So as of right now, this student has 25 plus 25 plus 25. That adds up to a total of 75. So as of right now, he has a 75%. We want 100 because this guy, you're going to need to get a green dot. And I'm going to show you how to get a green dot in just a second. Green dots are worth 25 points. If you have a yellow dot, it's worth 20 points. 20 points for each yellow dot. If you have a pink dot, it's worth 15 points. All right? If you have a gray dot, it's worth 0 points because you haven't started it yet. Now you can earn any type of score on here. Now, if you actually attempt all 4 sections, the lowest grade you can get is a 60 because 15 times 4 is 60. The highest grade you can get is actually 104 because you can even get into stars. If you've got a star, that means you got extra credit points. That means not only do you know the stuff, you've actually maintained it. So stars are extra credit. Now, let's look. This person would have had has a 75. Once he attempts this one, it should turn pink. So it should add up to at least 70, 80, 90 points. All right, so he should be able to get at least 90 if he even attempts the quotients of fractions. Let's look at some other problems. Let's see some other scores. Look at this student right here. This student, we're looking at number sense 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quotients of fractions, dividing multi-digit numbers, multi-digit decimals, and LCM and GCF. Now, notice they haven't attempted this one, so that's a 0. This guy, they have a green dot, that's worth 25. This guy has a pink, that's 15. This guy has another pink, that's another 15. Well, let's add up how many total points that would be. 5, 10, 15 points. 2, 3, 4, 5. So as of right now, this person has a 55%. That means we need to work on getting some more green and yellow dots. Let's look at another student's. This person, oh, look at there, 25, 25, 25. So they have a total of 75 points. Let's look at another one. All right, so we have a yellow here. We have a green, yellow, and pink. So we have a 25, 20, and 15, and a 0. So let's add it up. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry my 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. This person has a 60%. Let's look at the next one. All right, now this person has just pinks. So that's 15 plus 15 plus 15. That's a total of 45%. Let's look at this guy. Now this one, we have a star. That means that you have maintained it and you know exactly how to do these problems. So this would be actually 25, 50, 75, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. So this person has 104%, because not only have they done it correctly, but they've maintained it. They know exactly how to do every single one of those problems. So the highest this person can get is 104% on a test. So what you're going to do is you are going to complete the green dot challenge. All right, Miss Mikas and I will be looking at those grades and inserting them by around Sunday evening. Okay? All right. Have a great night. You'll be working on this on Wednesday and throughout the week. All right. Bye-bye.